Okay guys, Sadie, and I want to show you. So these are my good glasses that are broken, and then I'm still using the tablet. And I have these that I've been using that I hate because they're just all like really wiry. So it's annoying me so much. So I'm gonna try to see if we can do this. And the only conclusion I can come up with is to use this. I don't have insurance um, to fix it, so I have it balanced the way I want um, to have it, and it's just gonna have to be straight in there because like what happened was there's a little pin that comes out there, and then the the thing that holds this like this arm goes into that, and it somehow had worn away or something. So the only thing I can come up with is that side still works. This side will have to be permanently done. So I thought, well, if I heat it up enough, and I can just flow solder all over that area. I don't want to be having tape on there. So if I get it hot enough, potentially, and then just ooze solder in there, it will just fix them, and then that arm will never be able to move back, and then that arm could fold. But these glasses, these other ones, just keep falling off my face, and it's just frustrating. And now it's starting to get hotter here in Indiana, so and then I have a job at a warehouse, so I can't do that. So let's just see if this works, and I will let you know. So to turn this on, with these, it never says you can never. You always want to have it like that. You can never move it around like that. It always has to be like this. So we'll just go ahead and turn this on. Just heat this up is all I can think of doing. But let's see if that will. Oh crap, it just made it go down. Yeah, be doing this in the garage. Okay, there, I got it positioned the way I want it. Okay, so okay, that's sort of okay. It's speeding in there. It's speeding in there. Oh yeah, it's speeding in there. It should be enough. Okay. Oh, now a big blob just fell down on it, so I would feel better if I put a little bit more in there. It's still hot enough that it's okay. Wrong way, of course. I always do things. Thank you, dyslexia. Okay, so let's just take a better look at that. And I'm not showing it right. It's a tablet, you guys, so it's just I always have trouble doing it right on with the tablet. Okay, there is a close look at it, and then let's see. Um, yeah, so yeah, look, you guys, look. So this side's not going to move, but while I had it out, you want like it was like there was too much wiggle room in it, so I wanted to position it the way I wanted it, not too far out, not in, because then it would not be even on my like it would. Oh, that's hot. Just Of course. Uh, okay. But yeah, look, and they're balanced. They're both hitting the bottom of the thing. Okay, so this is better. This is an improvement because it's every time I move my head down just a little bit with these glasses, which are nice if I had an office job, but we need these back, which are my regular glasses that I have all the time. So I will let you know in the comments how they hold up. Thank you for watching. Thanks, guys.